Alright, what's up? Okay, here I'm going to show you a quick demo how to input images on your post. Okay, I went to here. This is just a random post that I would put up with images on it. I have two photos on here. This is the code for the photos. Like, it's a caption that goes to close the caption. Another one down here. Now if you click preview over here, it'll show you the two photos I already had up, so you can see what the photos are. You got one, you got two. Okay. So if you want to put, let's say you want to put the first photo in your article. So what you would do is, okay, so you remember it, like it's only two here, it's pretty simple. So you got one, you got two, and you got this code here is for the first article, for the first photos. So this first little section here, you would copy it, you know, let's see, copy the whole code from the caption where it starts till it ends. If you want this inside of your article, you have to copy the entire thing. Okay? Now, if you go into your article, see what happens here. Alright? I'm going to pick a random article. I'm going to probably piss somebody off. But I'm not going to save it. Okay. Whatever this is. I don't care. This is random. So, just posting there. Okay. I shortcutted, but I pasted the code in there. I'm going to preview the changes. And it's loading. Alright. So that photo is in that article, in the preview. So if I click save the draft, or update, that's what I'm going to say, update. So then if I clicked update, that photo would be in right where I posted the article, right where I posted it. Alright, that makes sense. Right where it is, again, that first sentence, then that code I posted. First sentence, there's the code. Kind of simple. But now, let's say I want to get a little crazy, and I wanted to put that same photo into the main image. This up here. It says breaking news. It's going to be main story. I want it up there too. So I would go into that code I posted. Here's the code from here to here. And I would find the JPEG image link, which is right. Okay, look for the image IMG SRC. That's where it starts for the link, or for the image file. Then get this here. Copy this all the way till we go to .jpg. Oops. Right. So this HTTP blah 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 blah. We're in the .jpg. This is the stuff you want. Okay? I'm gonna copy it. Have that copied. Now for this article, it already has a main story image, so I'm gonna be nice and pretend this never happened. Okay, it's gone. But okay, this is what you'll see when you come down here for new article. This is what you'll see right here. And you'll click image. This is just the link to an image. This is not any code or anything. This is just a link to an image. Right there. So you click add custom field. Alright, so the image, this link for the image. This image will be the main image for this article now. Preview it. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, we have the image I show. This is the image, and this is the link or the code I showed before. This hasn't changed. And now this up here will show on the main page of the website if you want. So when you make that, it will make also the main page or the whatever it's called. So it'll be on the main site now, on the main page, for the main link or the main thumbnail or whatever we call it. It'll show up here. So the basic idea here is what I'm trying to show is that this data right here is which I would put into a, I guess it's called like a back-end article with photos, more of just highlights of the game. If it's, I mean, because if you're writing an article, I'll just put like 2 or 3 photos that you can go through, add them into your article. But then I'll post the gallery later. But yeah, for in an article, if you want the photo, you will find this link of caption, and what ends the caption, this type deal. Copy this whole thing, put that into your article. But you also have to make sure that when you put that into your article, you do not make it too, you don't make it on top of the article. As in, see, I have like one sentence here. This is pretty small. I would like a small paragraph almost, because on the front page of the site, like, it shows the first text of so many characters. I forget how many it is. But so I want to see what your article is saying first, because if you just post this on the top of your article, this right here, if you put this at the very top of your article, you will see caption ID, blah 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 blah. You'll see this on the main website, in the front page, and that as like the main like text or the main body of the article, and that doesn't really make any sense because you're just going to see all this like code. That's why it's better to make at least a decent paragraph. I'm going to say 3-4 lines or whatever of text of your article, of your intro, whatever, in the first beginning part of your article. Then you put an image, if you want to, below that. So just make sure you have at least 3-4 lines or so. Like, this is too small. I'd put at least down like here. Whatever, just 2-3 sentences, nothing big. Just so like you see that before an image, so it won't, the image code won't overtake the article, so you can kind of see it. And it's also for the SEO, for the web page, Google search, type searching, whatever. It'll, if you have like an image first, it'll mess up that. May not get as many searches or as many whatever. So I think that is a decent way of saying how to get an image into an article. And I'm not gonna, I didn't save it at all, of course. So let's try it again. I'm gonna go, so this is a random article that I made just a couple minutes ago. Okay, this is the article I made. Now, I added images to the article. Now let's see what the images are. Okay, this is loading up here. Alright, okay, this article I put on 2 images. This is just a preview of the article. This is not on the website at all. This is a preview of what it would look like on the website if it was published, which I have not clicked. So, okay, this photo right here. This is a cool photo. I want this in my article. This is a storytelling photo, whatever it is. Okay. So, you figured out, you know, you got 1 image, 2 image. Okay. So, this is, okay, caption, okay, the caption, closed caption. First image. Okay, here's the second image. Apparently. Hold on. And also, like, this add NY thing, whatever. I'll have a full caption in here, so don't worry about anything else in this thing here. I'll have a full caption if I upload it and say it's good to go. So you go in here and you copy this data right here. Then, okay, let's get this article. Then, okay, yes, this over here. This is my article, and I know what that photo looks like, so I want to put it, okay, okay, I'm not even reading anything here. Let's say I talked about the player that's in the article up here somewhere, so I want him in here, right below where I talked about him. Okay, about Mountain West, whatever, is CUSA, blah, blah, blah. Let's preview it and make sure it looks okay. And, oh, there it is. Okay. So I talked about him up here, and there he is with the caption that will be correct, which it is not here. I don't know what it is, but yeah, okay. So it's okay. It's in the article. That's pretty much all you have to do. Okay. And if I wanted that same photo as the main photo for the article, if I did not have one yet, which would be the photo up here, which would also show, like where it says whatever crap, like this thing, this would be the same photo. Like all these slides have the same photo. Like this breaking news, whatever the crap this is. If you wanted that photo is the same as what I'm going to show you right now. So if you want the photo I just showed you in that article to be the main photo, like this one, you know, or maybe this one, or okay, I'm going to have to change it, or this one, or this one, or this one, this one. Well, then you just copy the JPEG link, this link here, and you post it down right here. If there's something here, you have to delete it. If you're not, then you have to go back and whatever. So I'm going to cancel everything I did today, so it's not showing.